Hello students, today we will learn about future continuous tense. In our previous class, we have discussed about the future tense, its classification and simple future tense. Today we will go through the future continuous tense. So what is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense is also referred to as future progressive tense. Future continuous tense को हम लोग future progressive tense भी बोलते हैं. Is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in future. ये एक verb tense है जो indicate करता है कि future में कुछ होने वाला है. And continue for an expected length of time. और कुछ समय तक फ्यूचर में जो एक्शन होने वाला है वो कुछ समय तक चलने वाला है, कुछ समय तक वो कंटिन्यू होगा फ्यूचर में. दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज अ वर्ब टेंस दैट इंडिकेट्स दैट समथिंग विल ऑकर इन फ्यूचर एंड कंटिन्यू फॉर एन एक्सपेक्टेड लेंथ ऑफ टाइम. फ्यूचर जो कुछ फ्यूचर में कुछ होने वाला है, सो इट्स बिकम फ्यूचर. एंड फ्यूचर में जो एक्शन होने वाला है वो कंटिन्यू, इट्स गोइंग टू बी कंटिन्यू फॉर एन एक्सपेक्टेड टाइम ऑफ लेंथ, कुछ समय तक कंटिन्यू होने वाला है. सो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. Subject will come at the beginning, then auxiliary will be or shall be plus verb ing plus object. Let's see the example. Radha will be gossiping in the evening. Subject Radha will be auxiliary. Gossiping, verb gossip plus ing, gossiping. In the evening, it is not the subject, it is the phrase of the sentence. So, the complete sentence is Radha will be gossiping in the evening. Normally, we use shall be with ing and with all other subjects we use will be. But since future continuous tense is based on possibility, we should rather avoid using shall be, which denotes surety. On the other hand, will be or would be denote possibility. Negative sentence. Subject plus will not be plus verb ing plus object. Here, you should be careful not to use the verb will be not. We have to place the word not between will and be. So, it will be will not be in place of will be not. Let's have a look on the example. Sarah will not be making face. Subject Sarah will not be making, make plus ing, verb plus ing, making. Faces is the object. So the complete sentence is Sarah will not be making faces. Interrogative sentence. Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object. Let's have a look on the example. Will mom be applying oil? Auxiliary will, subject mom, then be plus applying, verb ing, that is apply plus ing, applying, and oil is the object. So the complete sentence is will mom be applying oil? So students, now we will go to the next part. That is, now we will understand that when to apply future continuous tense. So, let's go through this. Hey James, have you got any plans this afternoon? Not really. I will go to bed early because I have to wake up around 7. What will you be doing so early in the morning? I will be jogging around the park. I have gained some weight and I need to get rid of it. What will you be doing? I will be jogging. We use the future continuous to talk about continuous events that we expect to happen in the future. I will be jogging. What about Mary's party? What about it? Will you be coming with us? What time will you get there? Will you be coming with us? We use the future continuous to ask politely for information about the future. We want to surprise her, so we will get there around 10. What a pity! From 9 to 10, I will be driving back home. From 9 to 10, I will be driving back home. We use the future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress at or around a specific time in future. Like from 9 to 10, I will be driving my car. I will probably be a bit late. Doesn't matter, come as soon as you can. I will see you there. Bye.